Now the conversion of galvanometer into ammeter. Ammeter is a low resistance device or galvanometer. It is used to measure the current. How we can convert galvanometer into ammeter? By connecting a low resistance shunt in parallel combination with a galvanometer. Let capital G is resistance of galvanometer, capital S is resistance of shunt, let I is the maximum current flow. At this point, current I will be divided here. So, in the galvanometer current Ig will be flow, in the shunt current I minus Ig will be flow. Now, in the parallel combination, potential will remain same. If the potential remains same, then according to Ohm's law, we can write here Ig into G, that is equal to I minus Ig into S, I minus Ig into S, or we can write here S is equal to Ig into G upon I minus Ig. With the help of this relation, we can find the value of the shunt S. Now, if we have to find the total resistance, then according to the diagram, shunt and the galvanometer, they are connected in parallel combination. So, total resistance that will be 1 upon R, that is equal to 1 by S plus 1 by G. By putting the value of S and by putting the value of G, we can calculate the total resistance. Now the conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. Voltmeter is a high resistance galvanometer which is used to measure the potential difference. We can convert galvanometer into meter by connecting high resistance in series with galvanometer. Now, capital G is resistance of galvanometer, capital R is resistance which is connected in series combination with a galvanometer. Let I is the current flow. Now, in the series combination, current flow same. Now, the total potential we can calculate it by potential in the resistance I into R plus potential in the galvanometer, that is I into G. We can write here V is equal to, we can take out I common, that is R plus G. Now we can write V upon I, that is equal to R plus G, or we can calculate the value of R, that is equal to V upon I minus G. By putting the value of potential, current and galvanometer, we can find the resistance S. Now total resistance that is R total, that is equals to resistance and the galvanometer, both are connected in the series combination. So total resistance will be R plus G. Now we have sensitivity of the galvanometer. What is the sensitivity? That for the small current there is a large deflection, that is called the sensitivity of galvanometer. Sensitivity is of two types. First is called current sensitivity. So current sensitivity is deflection per unit current flow phi upon I. According to the moving coil galvanometer, the value of I is equal to K phi upon NAB. So we get current sensitivity, that is equal to NAB upon K. Now second is voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity is deflection per unit voltage. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, phi upon I into R. Now we can put the value of current I, that is K phi upon NAB. So we get voltage sensitivity is equal to NAB upon K into R. We know NAB upon K, that is current sensitivity. So voltage sensitivity is equal to current sensitivity upon resistance.